Hello friends, first of all, welcome back to my channel Class Fashion Ideas by Ushna. So I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Now friends, before moving to the details of this video, I have a very simple request to you that kindly make a habit of washing your hands regularly, wearing a face mask and maintaining a reasonable social distance. Because coronavirus is a very dangerous and pandemic situation and it has affected the human lives in a massive amount whole worldwide. Now, as far as we are concerned with this video, then I am here with you with a very decent, stylish and again new collection of embroidered face masks. Friends, yes, you have heard right, because my channel is the only channel from which you can get thousands of latest unique new face mask embroidery designs with every rising new day. Yes, you heard absolutely right. With every rising new day, you can get creative and amazing ideas of face masks. And not only this, you can also get a very wide variety of very beautiful and amazing ideas related to women fashion. Friends, as far as we are concerned with this video, then you can make these embroidery patterns by using embroidery thread, that is anchor, DMC, wool, or if you have some other preferences as well. And you can make these patterns by hand as well as through machine embroidery. So I hope that you will keep my suggestions into your mind and you will wear masks while leaving out and allow me to leave. And if you like these designs, then don't forget to like my video, and if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Keep supporting us, keep watching my content, keep loving us, and we will soon be back with you along with some new stylish and trendy ideas. Up till then, take care. Allah Hafiz. Stay blessed. Spread positivity, be a cause of positive motivation for others, help your friends and family to achieve their desired goals.